Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Omio account. So first of all, launch open Omio application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Omio application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option passenger details. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the passenger details interface. You'll be able to find the basic information over here. If you scroll down, at last you'll be able to find the section for delete account. So in order to delete your account, what you have to do is tap on this option, delete my account. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to leave? Once your account is deleted, there is no going back. You'll no longer be able to access your tickets. Deleting your account will take 30 days. All of your data will be deleted. So if you're okay with that, simply tap on the option delete my account. Now you can see over here you'll be signed out of your account. After 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So that is how you delete Omio account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.